Good day everyone, I'm Ayana Claudine Inunag and this is my brother, Ivan Nunag, who lives an active lifestyle. So I'll be asking him questions. So first, what types of physical activities do you engage in regularly?
I usually go to the gym po and go do long walks every after school.
Okay, that's nice. So next, what motivates you to stay physically active?
Yun po, whenever I see myself in the mirror, I always get motivated because I have my inspirations and that already motivates me to do good and to do good with my overall health.
Okay. Next, what are some challenges you face in maintaining your physical activity routine?
Of course, there will be existential crisis like raining, heavy rainstorms, and that will sometimes be a hindrance whenever I want to go to the gym or whenever I want to walk uh, around the school. And for me, that's what that hinders me to be healthy.
Okay. So next question. How do you overcome these challenges?
Of course, that existential crises aren't really naiiwasan, but of course, I'm here to do home routines like home workout and things like that po.
Okay. Next, what strategies do you use to stay consistent with your workouts?
Consistent. I usually manage my time first because of course I go to school and I'm sometimes busy with those schoolworks, and for me managing my time through scheduling whenever I need to work out is a very much essential thing to do. Like for example, I schedule my workout from Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and that already gives me motivation to work out this week. Ang ganun po.
Okay. So next is, what specific benefits have you noticed from your physical activities?
Of course, I see a lot of changes. From the very start, it wasn't much change that I see, but pag tumagal na po and I became consistent, there will be changes po talaga na makikita sa katawan. And that's what I really love about working out because if you stay consistent, you'll see change.
Okay, tama ka dyan. So next, how do you incorporate physical activity in your daily life?
How do I incorporate? Actually, by just walking po, nakakapagkaroon na ng physical activity with that. And sa school ko, we also have physical education, which is also helpful with my overall well-being. And in that case, I can stay healthy too even without the workout routines that I already have. And yes, that's my answer to that.
Okay, that's nice. So, what advice would you give to someone who wants to start being more physically active?
Um, think about it like this. Working out has target markets, and if you do really want to work out or engage in those activities, you should already start like right now because if you plan to do these things without really starting, parang masasayang lang yung oras mo. And I believe you should start early as now if you really want change to yourself. Yun lang po.
Gandang advice yun ah. Okay, so that's all, Ivan. Thank you for participating with my interview. And that's all. Thank you, guys.
Thank you po.
Thank you for listening.